Oluomo. He say, oh, Oluomo. Oluomo is different. Nobody, are you getting me? Nobody just recognize them. He go throughout of the world, anybody. He go to Canada, Germany, Italy, Spain, America. Nobody, you see, go like that. Anybody could salute go. But Oluomo is one of the side. Who's Oluomo? You do your own time is no go far. Fully, I support you go with my money. If I have my money, brother, if I have money, fully, I just support you go. Any Yoruba wey no support you go is half caste Yoruba. Are you getting me? Behind Yoruba in Finland, you know say if you go to Oyo State, inside the Oyo, you go see half caste Yoruba. When the father is Finland, the mother is Yoruba. That was half caste. Exactly, you go to Ebonyi, Enugu, Nsukka inside there. Most of our Finland, you don't fuck another tribe wey be half caste. The father is Finland, the mother is anybody who no support you go is half caste Yoruba. It's not the original Yoruba. Who's Oluomo? I'm supposed to go is fully. Are you getting me? I'm supposed to go is fully. But if I see IG, I be our brother Akim Odumosu, I will tell them say I'm supposed to go is fully because of Igbo. If fighting for the right thing. Look at this. I'm giving you an example. If you go to Kaduna, I be for Kwara State. If you see Finland people, if you want to marry her, I want to fuck her for just 1 hour. Finland will agree. But if Finland, you see, go to your land, Igbo land, you go ready to fuck your own daughter to marry her. Are you getting? But Finland will agree. Are you getting me? But Igbo, I love her fully. Anywhere you go to support. If I have money, if I have anything, I sponsor there. I just support her. But if I think for the right thing, are you getting me? God be with all of them. God be with Igbo now. All of them. Are you getting me? Because the only thing we need in necessary constitution we need. Two weeks ago, this son, this lawyer, he said, "Men, federal government go back to necessary constitution." That one is the best thing. Are you getting me? That one is the best thing because of people is pay. No food, no everything, no work. Before, I understand. For seaport here, you want to clear container 40 feet, 1.2 million. Go and check. Google your phone. You want to clear container 40. Now for Apa, the container is 4.5 million. From Apa to Idumota, Jakara, if you want to carry container, it's 200,000. You can now it's 600,000. The federal government, you go and buy AK-47 for Finland people. AK-47 is 1.5 million. 1.5 use anything about the gun. Why the Finland have to go? Buhari, federal government, you don't arrest any Finland. It's the party. But do the fire say for Ekiti, fire say you arrest about 3 Finland, you put them for prison. He say anytime any Finland, I give you 6 o'clock. When the 6 o'clock is finished, you arrest Finland. For federal government, you don't arrest any Finland. 2:15. For your land, don't say you don't care about 5,000 farmers from 2:15 to now. Don't keep farmer, only farmer. I'm saying, are you getting me? For this, anybody don't tire for this Buhari government. Are you getting me? Anybody don't tire for this Buhari government. We don't need the election. We need the necessary constitution. Only Olanipekun Sam, he say go back to the necessary constitution. That one is the best. Anybody go and control your religion. Are you getting me? Exactly what I mean. Yoruba, 100% Yoruba, 70% Yoruba is supposed to go on. That 30% is politician. Are you getting me? When they follow, when they follow the group of one politician, but 100 Yoruba people, 70% Yoruba, he follow Igbo, but Igbo he do right thing. No, Igbo he come to Lagos, go do rally for Lagos. Are you getting me? He peacefully. Last month when Igbo go to Osun State, he do rally with peacefully. Our governor Oyetola, that man Oyetola is very good man. He's very nice man. Oyetola he give him permission. He do the rally with peacefully. Nothing like fighting there. Are you getting me? If you come for Lagos now, our father is there for Lagos. Adekunle Ojoda for Ikoyi. Our father Major Dati Olarewaju is there. These people is the indigenous of Lagos State. Are you getting me? If you won't come do the rally, nothing like fighting. You fighting for your right. If you don't have any gun to kill anybody, are you getting me? But Finland, we have confirmed gun. Are you getting me? But fully, I support Igbo with my money. If I have my money, brother, if I have money, fully, I just support Igbo. any Yoruba wey no suppose to go is half caste Yoruba. Are you getting me? Behind Yoruba in Finland, you know say if you go to Oyo State, inside the Oyo, you go see half caste Yoruba. But when the father is Finland, the mother is Yoruba. That was half caste. Exactly, you go to Ebonyi, Enugu, Nsukka, inside there, most of our Finland, you don't fuck another tribe wey be half caste. The father is Fulani, the mother is a hair. Anybody who no support to go is half caste Yoruba. It's not the original Yoruba. Are you getting me? I'm saying a hair. By the grace of God, he respects to go come to Lagos. Don't say his Lagos say is the largest of all the whole Nigeria. Now Lagos say he hold the Nigeria. Are you getting me? If you go, you come to with peaceful rally, nobody can die. If you go where you want to come, most of Baba will be professional. Way back you go now, you don't write letter to our brother Odumosu. Odumosu is not Hausa, it's Yoruba. Odumosu and AIG don't write letter to them, and the Oba Ekono don't write letter to them. Say want to come for Lagos, something like fighting. If he go come for Lagos, if Odumosu kill them, say because Odumosu he go retire. How many years? 5 years. He no be there for police. Are you getting me? If he retire, he just sit down. Exactly now. Look say if you are there on uniform, I think do like this. When you don't remove the uniform, don't is a terrorist man. Are you getting me? One in one, I will sit there. Are you getting me? That one is I don't think about that one. You go, you come with peacefully with all the indigenous of Lagos State. Adekunle Ojola, he dey for Cameroon Road, 69 something. Papa is multi-millionaire. Go to Cameroon Road for Ikoyi. Say he dey find Adekunle Ojola is the best of man, and the major time Olarewaju do the ambassador. He have estate for Yabaye. That one is the indigenous of Lagos State. I'm not talking about the politician where don't take for Lagos. Are you getting me? Where you do business, where you use people, you do business. Are you getting me? Hey, you come for Lagos with peaceful rally. God, he back, he go, he do the right thing. Are you getting me? When my father is there for life, Ganify me. First time when I go no Ganify me, in 94 for Yabaye, June 12, I was here. 94, 95, 96, 97. Baba is there on the September 9, 2009, on the 5. When Ganify me there for life, Gani fighting for masses, he fighting for righting. Anybody back Ganify me, he go no see, he fighting for masses, he fighting for our region. Are you getting me? Exactly. Oluomo, he say Oluomo is different. Nobody, are you getting me? Nobody just recognize them. He go throughout of the world, anybody. He go to Canada, Germany, Italy, Spain, America. Nobody, he still go like that. Anybody go salute go. But Oluomo is one of the side. Who's Oluomo? You do your own time. It's not go far. Are you getting me? People he use Oluomo as a auxiliary machine. I be what you call it. But he go all the Yoruba people he back out. Both all the Obas, because he do the right thing. Awolowo said that in 1987 when Baba died, you don't say Yoruba after Yoruba go fight for your right. Everybody come out now. He say you will fight for your right, but God come bring you as a prophet. Say okay, you stand up. People will back you. Guru Maharaji, he saw Igbo now. He called them. He pray for them. Guru Maharaji wey confirm he just pray eh nothing who's Oluomo I don't tell you say this is where our brother talk Wole Olanipekun stand. He say go back to necessary constitution. That one is the best because okay he say 2023 nothing is coming. He fought for Yorubas 8 years, people 8 years. If you balance our economy, well our economy is better. But another picture when the Finland still come again, I thought it go scatter everything. Are you getting me? Anybody go back to your region. If you don't want Nigeria divide, are you getting me? Or number 2 again. He say you don't want to regional. Okay. Issue of the restructuring quota system. If you want to employ soldier, Yoruba 50, Igbo 50, Hausa 50. Are you getting me? If you want to employ custom 50-50, are you getting me? Say now not you have a big higher population. That one liar. Because of you open the border to carry people come from Mali, Sudan, Niger, enter Nigeria. He say you have population pass you. How many people? Since 2 officers wey Buhari is a president. How many people? He just die for north. How many people? He don't die for north. You go open the border. He say you have largest of population. That one lie. The solution of to divide Nigeria is writing. Are you getting me? Because of he go to UK, Nigeria, he have largest of supermarket for. Are you getting me? If anybody today where Nigeria divide for to 3, are you getting me? He's the right person. People go do your own business. Anybody will take your own visa. Are you getting me? But if leave Nigeria to today, do election, Yoruba 8 years, Igbo 8 years. But around 20 years ago, when the Fulani he come back again, exactly, he go scatter everything like that. But Fulani, you don't have any plan to battle for you. Fulani, you don't have any something to over you. The only thing, the agenda of Fulani, we want to control all the trust of the nation. Are you getting me? But the only thing I'm saying, if you don't make Nigeria divide, are you getting me? Number one, anybody go and control your region. Exactly 63. That one is the best thing. Because anybody control your own regional 63 is the best. Are you getting me? Because this is what they happen to the Buhari here. Is the bad thing. Since way about me, this history of this man is the bad thing history. Because Buhari no follow any federal character. But when Buhari want to contest for election, he come to Yoruba land, don't define the 40. After when Buhari enter, you have to follow the federal character. Exactly, Olusegun Obasanjo, he follow federal character. Do the Obasanjo in 1999, he give Tunde Adeniro, Minister of Education, Adamu Siroma, Minister of Finance, Danjuma, Minister of Defence, Abba Gana, FC Minister, Abuja. Are you getting me? Bola Ige, Attorney General of Federation, it's like we call federal character. Second to the federal government, he give a kite for Akwa Ibom. When the Obasanjo enters the second time again, no, he follow the federal character, he remove Borno, he go put Borno there. He remove Kaduna, he go put Kaduna there. No say he remove Yoruba land, he go and bring people for Katsina Allah, put that there. Are you getting me? That one, he don't want it. You need to go on in 1963 constitution. Anybody go and control your regional.